Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, number 1. I'm joined by Bravik.
Hola, Steve.
Yeah.
What time Back to the game. I think Steve, this is the first time you see me so happy. I'm very happy. My friend has been found. He was lost. Since Mukuku just threw him out of the cave, I was looking for him, but finally I find him today. I'm very happy that Sundowns stood on behalf of Pirates because these are our parents.
Yes.
These are our grandfathers, walking ancestors. Exactly. So, thanks BK for attending the game. At least now we are at peace.
Steve.
Still going to Lubumbashi.
Yes, and Steve, just one thing. I think this is the first time you're seeing me so happy.
Yes.
Those must go.
Yes, I'm still saying that. But I'm just giving him half chance now. I'm still giving him half chance. To be honest, Tibo, when Sales came in, Pizzo came in, and Murena came in, we played our football.
Yes.
We played Sundowns football.
Yes.
The shoe shine and piano, which we know.
Yes.
That's what we need.
Yes.
We can lose. Tibo's playing like that. I'll sleep at peace. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. And you see the third goal, Steve. I can tell you how it was built up.
Tell me, my brother. Tell me, my brother.
It started from Mrembla.
Mrembo?
Yes. Okay, it started from Marons. Came to Mrembla. From Mrembla went to the main Sailor. Sailor brought it back.
It went back to Sailor.
Back to Sailor. After Sailor, it came to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 gave it to Scam. You know what the Scam did? Gave it to jersey number 17. Jersey number 17 pulled it back to
Yeah, to save me.
Jezi number 17. Give Matthew Suskawara, Rebabisa Karinomboro Chabo, yeah, he gave it to Sales. Then what a square pass. What a header. You know, I was at peace. And to be honest, Steve,
The only player.
if Cardoso can do that, give a fair chance to our players like he gives the fair chance to the South American players, I'll be very happy. Because we have got the national team material. Remember, I can count Pizzo, Kekana, Basadin, Adams. The count is endless. Those people are supposed to be in the national team. Yes. Those people are supposed to be in the national team. But what happens? They put them on the bench. And then, you know, they leave Hugo Bros with no chance. So he doesn't have any option to choose from. Besides Pirates. You see? We also want to be in the national team. Okay. I see they are chasing me away, but they must just give me because I'm so happy today. All the time I'm complaining. So gijile nyaupe kabeka ikura ya Cardoso. Yes. Okay. Yes. So I'm very happy. I forgive you today, Cardoso. But try and prove to us. Do what Sundowns is capable of. And in closing, Tibos, my man of the match, I hear many people are saying Allende. But for me, Sales came in and changed the whole competition of the game. And you know, I can always say I give everything to Sales. And all my players today, they perform to the level which I'm expecting that they carry this performance to Africa. And you know, PK, welcome back, my brother. And last but not least, guys, this is a very important message to all of us. We're going to the festive season. Let's please don't drink and drive. Drive and drink. You understand? Just be safe on the road. And also to you guys, I'm a fans with. No one highly talks about you guys. We're more like celebrities because people are just greeting me wherever I go. It's just because of these people. So you know, you need to give credit where it's due. And to be honest, you know. And to be honest, you know what? I think, you know what? Our Premier League needs to do something about Oma Femizot. They have like put everyone in the map, and also they have sent our messages to our teams, which we really appreciate. Guys, keep on doing the good work. And Steve and the rest of the teams of Oma Femizot, you still owe me. I told you that when Cardoso wasn't performing well, you still owe me a jacket. I said I don't care how much it costs. You tell me, I'll just put the money. I'm ready to support you guys because you're putting us on the map. Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?